Well, we're here at the range in Kitsap County, and we're going to go ahead and shoot various ammos through our Smith & Wesson Model 22A 22 caliber long rifle semi-automatic pistol.
Oh wow! Looks like a carrot commercial. Yeah.
Now we got a lot of steel targets on there, so let's go ahead and see how well the CCI Clean ammo shoots in the Smith & Wesson Model 22A. But first we have to try some other ammo, like the first one we're going to use is CCI Mini Mags. So let's go ahead and shoot those.
Yeah, the pheasants are out there.
Are they? You're talking about South Dakota. Pheasant hunting. They're probably just as good as here.
Yeah, they fly around. Alright, see you. Bye-bye.
Nice seeing you. Take care.
Yep, you too.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas,
Thank
Dave.
you.
So of course the CCI Mini Mags work fine. Now the Browning Bpr.
Hey, Wes. Sorry to bother you. Would you come back and write down what I can do with you? I can Thank you, sir.
Want to inspect our guns?
Yeah, you guys both done it?
Yeah.
Two. And Michael's got one dead one.
Yeah, I got the dead, and then the back sights on the
Functioning was fine, and
it usually glowed during the
the
day.
power was plenty to lock the slide back. Okay, so now the whole reason why we're out here, and that is to shoot the CCI Clean through our Smith & Wesson Model 22A semi-automatic pistol.
I'll load up.
So the distance is 25 yards. Let's shoot the square, the rectangular steel target. So you can see from the rifle and pistol shooting we did today that we shot about that much of the CCI Clean. We shot about a little more than half a box of Browning Bpr, about half a box of CCI Mini Mag, and basically the Federal Value Pack, Bulk Pack 22 ammo. We all know about that because we've all shot quite a bit of that, so we know what to expect with that. So what are the conclusions? So our conclusions are the Federal Bulk Pack is for plinking, but in a pinch we can use it for hunting. Now, the CCI Mini Mag is an old standby favorite of ours, very consistent, and these bullets are all pretty nicely seated into the casings. You don't get too many loose bullets with CCI Mini Mag. With the Federal Bulk Pack, you get loose bullets, and sometimes you'll even see cockeyed bullets. But that's okay, it's plinking ammo. Now, all this ammo is made in the United States. The federal plant is located in Anoka, Minnesota. CCI is located in Lewiston, Idaho, and the Browning is made in Arnold, Montana. Turns out that the Browning has about 1 out of every 5 bullets have a little bit of looseness. You can twist them in the case, but they're not cockeyed. And the same thing with the CCI Clean. Every once in a while you'll run into one that has a little looseness. You can twist the bullet, but they're not in their cockeyed. So all of these, with the exception of the Federal Bulk Pack, are pretty well aligned in the bullets. Every once in a while you'll get one of these that's actually leaning. Now the Browning Bpr ammo is listed on the box at 1,435 feet per second, which is a lot more than, say, the CCI Mini Mag, which is about 1,250. And the Federal Bulk Pack is about 1,235, and it varies a lot. So the Bpr Browning 22 long rifle ammo is definitely more powerful, and you can feel the difference shooting in the rifles and the pistol. It's a definite improvement in the performance. Accuracy of the Browning Bpr is not on the same level as the CCI Mini Mags. The CCI Clean ammo doesn't feel like it's as powerful as these others. It's advertised as high velocity, but I really think it's between standard velocity and high velocity ammo. Definitely feel the difference that this ammo is not as much in feet per second as the others here. And even though the CCI Clean functioned fine in the Marlin Model 60s, 2 of them, and also the Smith & Wesson 22A pistol, it doesn't function in the Ruger 1022, whereas all these others function perfectly in all the guns. So because of that, the CCI Clean is not as desirable an ammo as the others. Now, going with value, the CCI Clean is only 1 cent less expensive per round as the Browning Bpr. But because of the performance of the Browning Bpr, I would say that that ammo, because of its better reliability and higher velocity, is actually a more high value round than the CCI Clean. And if the cleaning of the gun requires a little more wiping out of the action, that's okay. The barrel itself doesn't have to be addressed because of the wax. Now that doesn't mean we can't clean our barrel if we want to. We can certainly do that. But with the CCI Clean, you actually have to go in there and clean the barrel and apply a corrosion resistance, say use some mineral oil or something like that, because there's no preservative action of the barrel with the CCI Clean. It may shoot cleaner, but you don't get the protection of the wax coating that you get with these other rounds. So because you've got to address the barrel with the CCI Clean and not with these, that balances out the fact that it's cleaner in the action than these others. So value-wise, 1 penny less than the Bpr, not enough of economical difference between the two. I would say my own preference would be the Browning Bpr over the CCI Clean. Now, the CCI Mini Mags are more expensive than all the other ones. So it's good to have some CCI Mini Mags around, but you wouldn't want to shoot those for plinking because of the high cost. Now, if all you're doing is plinking, this is the best value here, the Federal Bulk Pack Value Pack. So take care of all the shooters and reloaders out there. This is Fortune Cookie 45 LC coming to you from the hot lead zone. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, and Merry Christmas to all of you out there.